Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to create EBS volume and attach to EC2 instance and mount it. So let's start the video. First of all, create EC2 instance. So this is my Ubuntu machine I already created. So now steps 2, go to volumes, elastic block storage, volumes, click here. Now here create volume. Now here size, choose your size. I'm simply typing 10 GB, and here use the same availability zone when you created EC2 instance. So I created in this one, US East 1C, and simply create one. Just wait for few minutes and refresh it. Now you can see our volume is created. Now this is available. Just simply click here and go to actions and attach to volume. Now select your EC2 instance. Now this is my Ubuntu machine. Simply click it and attach volume. Okay, give me name. Okay, just refresh it again. Now you can see volume state in use. Now go to instance. Now I'm showing volumes. Now you can see the both volumes. We just recently created EBS. You can see the 10 GB volume here. Now I'm going to show you how to mount it. So let's start. Now I'm going to connect in this machine. Let me update my machine first. Let me clear this. Now jump to root volume, sudo su, and hit enter. Now we are into root volume. Now type lsblk to see the all disks. Now we have just created NVMe 1 and 1 10 GB, you can see. Now let's see how to mount it. Now first create a folder using mkdir. You can give any name. I'm going to give demo simply, and print later print ls. Now you can see we have all created demo. Now what we're going to do, now we are going to format the drive first. Now type sudo mkfs -t ext4 /dev, the disk name nvme 1 and 1, and hit enter. Now you can see the disk is formatted successfully. Now let's mount the drive. Mount /dev /nvme disk name 1 and 1. give space slash home ubuntu slash demo and hit enter. Now again type lsblk and hit enter. Now you can see our NVMe disk is mounted successfully.